Have you ever tried explaining crypto wallets to a friend? You probably got to the part about writing down 12 secret words on a piece of paper, and if you lose it, your money is gone forever. It sounds a little crazy, right? For years, this has been the reality of Web3. But what if I told you a revolution is underway? A change that makes crypto wallets as easy and secure as your online banking app. This is the story of the smart account revolution. To understand where we're going, we first need to understand where we've been. Most crypto wallets today are what we call externally owned accounts, or EOAs. Think of them like a simple safe with a single, unchangeable key. This key, often called a seed phrase, is a single point of failure. If you lose it, your funds are lost forever. If it's stolen, your account can be drained in seconds. There's no forgot password button, no customer support to call. On top of that, using these wallets can be clunky. Complex actions, like swapping one token for another, often require you to sign multiple, separate transactions, costing you time and money. This rigid, unforgiving model has been a huge barrier preventing crypto from going mainstream. But now, a new paradigm is here: smart accounts. Imagine your crypto wallet is no longer just a simple safe, but an intelligent, programmable vault. Instead of being controlled by a single, static key, a smart account is controlled by code. This code can enforce rules that you define. What does this mean in practice? It means you can have a wallet that requires multiple approvals to move large sums of money. It means you can combine multiple steps into a single, one-click transaction. And most importantly, it means you can finally have a safety net. If you lose your main key, you can set up trusted friends or other devices as guardians to help you regain access, without them ever being able to touch your funds. This is the power of making accounts programmable. So how does this all work? The magic behind modern smart accounts is a technical standard called ERC 4337. Instead of changing the core rules of Ethereum, which would be incredibly difficult, ERC 4337 builds a new, smarter system right on top of the existing one. At its heart is a new type of instruction called a user operation. Think of it not as a transaction, but as a user's intent, a detailed to-do list for your smart account. This to-do list can say things like, I want to swap 100 USDC for ETH, and can even include special instructions, like, please have someone else pay the gas fee for me. Here's how that to-do list gets processed. First, your user operation is sent to a special, alternative mempool, a waiting area separate from normal transactions. Next, specialized actors called bundlers are constantly watching this mempool. A bundler grabs your user operation, bundles it together with others, and packages them into a single, standard Ethereum transaction. The bundler then sends this bundle to a single, universal smart contract called the entry point. The entry point is like the main office. It's a highly secure gateway that verifies and executes all the operations in the bundle, one by one. And what about that special instruction to have someone else pay the gas fee? That's where paymasters come in. A paymaster is another smart contract that can agree to sponsor your transaction fees, making the experience completely gasless for the user. This clever system allows smart accounts to perform complex actions, all while using the existing, proven infrastructure of the Ethereum network. This new infrastructure unlocks features that will fundamentally change how we interact with Web3. First up is gas abstraction. With paymasters, dApps can sponsor transaction fees, creating a gasless experience. Users can also pay for gas using tokens they already have, like USDC, instead of the network's native token. Next is transaction batching. Remember that clunky approve, then swap flow? Smart accounts can bundle those steps into a single, atomic transaction. You sign once, and it all happens together. For applications like blockchain games, signing every single action is a nightmare. Session keys solve this. You can grant a dApp a temporary, restricted key that's only valid for a short period of time or for specific actions. This allows for a seamless, uninterrupted experience without compromising the security of your main account. And finally, the ultimate safety net, social recovery. This feature lets you designate trusted friends, family members, or other devices as guardians. If you ever lose access to your account, a majority of your guardians can vote to help you recover it. They never get access to your funds. They only have the power to help you restore control. One project has been pioneering smart accounts for years, Safe. Safe is the most trusted platform for managing digital assets, securing over $100 billion for DAOs, companies, and even Ethereum's founder, Vitalik Buterin. Its core feature is its best-in-class multi-signature security. You can configure a safe to require, for example, 3 out of 5 team members to approve any transaction, eliminating single points of failure and making it the go-to choice for managing collective treasuries. Safe's architecture is brilliantly modular. The core wallet is minimal and highly secure, but users can extend its functionality by plugging in modules and guards. These plugins can add features like spending limits, automation, and even social recovery, allowing for endless customization without compromising the core security of the account. The launch of ERC 4337 has ignited a vibrant ecosystem. We're seeing a new wave of user-friendly wallets like Safe, Ready, Sequence, or Ambire, each focused on a smooth mobile experience. And behind the scenes, infrastructure providers like Gelato Relay, Pimlico, ZeroDev Ultra Relay, Alchemy, and ThirdWeb are building the bundlers and paymasters that power it all. Adoption is exploding, with millions of smart accounts already created. Of course, the road ahead has challenges. Smart account transactions currently have a higher gas overhead than simple EOA transactions. And as with any new technology, there are new security considerations developers must be mindful of, from smart contract bugs to the risk of infrastructure becoming centralized. But the future is incredibly bright, and a huge part of it is already here. With Ethereum's Pectra upgrade now live, a new standard called EIP 7702 has been activated. It allows existing wallets to temporarily wear a smart hat, gaining smart account features like transaction batching for a single transaction, without needing to migrate funds or change their address. This is a massive step, bridging the gap for millions of current users. Meanwhile, newer networks like Starknet and zkSync built a native implementation of smart accounts. They've built account abstraction directly into their core protocol. On chains like Starknet, every account is a smart account by default, offering a glimpse into the seamless, integrated future of Web3. The shift from simple keys to intelligent, programmable accounts is more than just a technical upgrade. It's about building a Web3 that is finally ready for the mainstream. A Web3 that is not just powerful, but also safe, forgiving, and easy to use for everyone. The smart account revolution is here, and it's just getting started.